Yo, how you 74 with a comb over still? You still got a comb over.
How's your home?
5 minutes. Roll game for minoxidil. Hair dyeing ass, dog. Your hair ain't that color.
His mic is fucked up. He sound like R2-D2.
Hey, Butler. Butler, yeah, you gotta use push to talk.
Frankenstein!
Hey, yo, Butler, yo. Is that a Shaq t-shirt, dog?
Hold on. Mike, hold on. That's why y'all both cannot be on cam together, because y'all are transferring audio back and forth through each other's computers and y'all are making a large ass echo. That's why y'all both cannot be on cam in the same fucking room. Okay, we can see her shoulder in the background. We know she's right there. Why don't you just hop on her cam and y'all share the damn cam together? Damn.
You look like a little league umpire, son. Toes killing me, son. He still got the chest plate on his shit too.
You're not killing the room because you want to be stubborn. Come on, man. I can't even get my shoulders apart. Anyway, my focus is going in this fake fantasy right off.
He looks like Jerry Springer.
Damn,
He look like Lagasse. He look like Lagasse in 13 years.
they're all gonna boo you, so calm down.
No, he just said that he
Said he was good.